Once upon a time in the grand court of Emperor Akbar, there lived a clever man named Birbal, known for his sharp wit and insightful nature. The atmosphere was lively, filled with courtiers eager to impress the emperor. One cold winter morning, Akbar decided it was the perfect day to test the limits of endurance. He boldly announced a challenge. Any man who could stand in the freezing waters of the lake all night would receive a handsome reward. As the crowd murmured, many hesitated, shivering at the thought of the icy water. Yet one poor man, desperate to improve his circumstances, bravely volunteered. That night, he stood in the frigid lake, shivering but unwavering. His gaze fixated on the warm glow of a lamp in the palace window, a beacon of hope in the darkness. When morning arrived, the man was brought before Akbar. Despite his feat, one courtier argued he didn't truly deserve the reward, claiming the lamp's light kept him warm. Akbar, swayed by the courtier's words, sadly denied the man's reward. Days passed until Birbal invited the emperor and his courtiers for lunch, when they grew impatient waiting for the food. Birbal explained it was still cooking, hanging high above the fire, far from the flames. Akbar laughed, realizing that the pot would never cook in such a position. In that moment, Birbal drew a clever comparison, reminding Akbar of the poor man. Just as the pot could not cook without heat, the man couldn't be warmed by a distant lamp. Akbar understood his mistake and immediately rewarded the poor man, recognizing that true effort deserves acknowledgement. And so the moral of the story shines bright. True effort should never go unnoticed, and sometimes wisdom reveals what others fail to see.